Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Today we're going to make a 3D object. It's going to be a cube and it's going to cast a shadow. So let's begin. Insert, shapes, choose this cube, shape fill, give it a light gray for now. Let's move it over to the side, outline, maybe give it a white outline, shape fill, gradient. Just going to move it over to the side. We'll choose this one for now. Go shape format, format shape. You can also go right click, format shape, and it'll open it up. Let's go to shadow under the second icon. Okay, we can move the distance, the angle, size. Let's see if there's another preset here. Maybe this one will be better. Distance, blur. I want some more blur. Now I'm going to add a additional shape. And this is going to be the background. And I think shape fill, just say that kind of gray. Center back. And maybe shape outline, no outline. Make this fixed position. And then insert shapes. I'm going to want a shape fill, white, center back. Fixed position. Maybe make this light gray. And with this, give it a gradient. It might be a little bit too dark. I don't know. And I think with this thing also, shape outline, weight. Give it a little bit more weight. And then, let's see what else is here. That would help. No. Give it the lightest one. And then we'll go shape fill, gradient. I don't know if that even changes it. Then we can rotate this. Let's go to material. So I think this is the best one. And I think for this background, I'd want to give it a different background. Let's just say blue. think this looks good. And then I just wonder, just put a bevel on there. Put this bevel on there. And then with this fill, transparency, just a little bit of color here. Like that. And I think with the outline, I think I'll choose that one. I'll go insert shapes. Let's take this one here. Selection pane. I'm going to move it up one. Move it up two. Shape fill, make it red. I put the shadow. Let's do it like that. And then distance. Like that would be better. Material. Select that. Lighting. Make it red. Let's see how that looks. Was it better before? What if we choose a different material? Gradient. No reflection. Like that. Move this down a bit. I'm just going to add some gradient. Shape fill, gradient. Like that. And on this one as well. I'm going to take out the outline for both of them. Like that. Okay, thanks for watching.